Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, I have already provided you a lot of informations, ideas as well as facts related with the topic. Just after providing a brief description related with the author, characters, facts, theme, spot or place, I have already provided you a brief description as a summary of the story. Just after finishing the summary of the story, today I have to provide you state-based questions along with its answer for your support. So all of you minutely, carefully focus my today's videos and follow me. State-based questions related with the story The Adventures of Toto. First state here for you. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closed opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. Now, my dear students, on the basis of these lines, try your best to answer these questions. First questions for you here like, who is he in this state? Second question for you here, where was he put away and why? Third question now, how was he tied? Did it prove to be secure? And the last question for you here, what is suggested by the phrase, or so we thought? Now, my dear students, on the basis of the summary that I have already provided you, the exact answer of the first question like, him in this state is Toto, the baby monkey who was bought from a Tonga driver for 5 rupees by grandfather. Toto was brought home as a pet. Now the second question answer here. Toto was put away in a closed opening into the narrator's bedroom wall. He was placed there to keep his presence a secret from grandmother who disliked pet. Now the third answer here. He was tied to peg fastened into the wall. This did not prove to be secure because when left alone, Toto wrenched off the peg from its socket. Now, the last answer like, this phrase suggests that the narrator and his grandfather were proven wrong in believing that they had tied Toto securely to the peg. Now, my dear students, next day I shall try my best to select some problems for your exercise. Take care, stay at home, and hope to see you again.